Many men struggle with finding the right beard trimmer that meets their specific grooming needs. A poor choice can lead to uneven cuts, skin irritation, or even disappointment in overall appearance. That's why we've compiled a list of the top 5 beard trimmers available on Amazon in 2026, comparing their features and benefits to help you make an informed decision. You'll want to stay tuned for our top pick, which offers a unique feature that sets it apart from the rest and can transform your grooming routine. Wahl Groomsman Battery Operated Facial Hair Trimmer for beard and mustache trimming, including light detailing and body grooming. Model 9906717V. This Wahl Groomsman is a versatile battery-operated trimmer, perfect for those who prefer simplicity and portability in their grooming routine. Ideal for men who want quick touch-ups and light detailing, it features a sleek design that easily fits in your grooming kit. One of its standout features is the built-in LED light, which helps you navigate those tricky grooming spots. However, being battery-operated means you may need to keep spare batteries on hand, which could be a slight inconvenience for some users. Ufree beard trimmer for men. Waterproof electric razor for nose, body, face, and mustache. Cordless hair clippers, shavers, grooming kit. Gifts for men, husband, father. The Ufree beard trimmer is a multifunctional grooming tool designed for the modern man. This waterproof trimmer excels in versatility, making it suitable for various grooming tasks, from beard trimming to nose hair removal. The cordless design and ergonomic grip ensure that you have total control while grooming. It is particularly excellent for those who appreciate easy cleaning, thanks to its waterproof feature. However, some users may find the battery life limits its use for longer grooming sessions, so it's best for quick and efficient grooming rather than extensive styling. Wahl Groomsman Rechargeable Beard Trimmer Kit for mustaches, nose hair, and light detailing and grooming, with bonus wet/dry battery nose trimmer. Model 5622V. The Wahl Groomsman Rechargeable Beard Trimmer Kit is an excellent choice for those who frequently manage their beard, mustache, and nose hair. With a robust battery that offers extended runtime, you'll find it easy to achieve your desired look without frequent recharging. The kit includes various attachments, making it perfect for meticulous grooming and detailing. Its bonus wet/dry nose trimmer is a thoughtful addition for complete grooming. On the downside, the trimmer's size can make it a bit less portable compared to other models, but its performance more than compensates for it. Norelco Philips All-in-One Series 7023-piece trimmer. Electric shaver and clipper for face, beard, head and body, self-sharpening titanium blades. 26 length settings. 0.516 millimeters. MG797049. The Norelco Philips All-in-One Series 7000 is a powerhouse of grooming, boasting 23 pieces that cover everything from beard trimming to head shaving. Its self-sharpening titanium blades are designed for durability and precision, ensuring a clean cut every time. With 26 length settings, you have unparalleled flexibility to create your personal style. This trimmer is ideal for men who want a comprehensive grooming kit that can handle multiple hair types. However, the sheer number of options might feel overwhelming for those who prefer simpler tools. Norelco Philips All-in-One 3000 Series 13 in one trimmer for men, beard trimmer, and head hair clipper. Full metal self-sharpening blades in 8 length settings. MG3 93950. Taking the top spot is the Norelco Philips All-in-One 3000 Series, a 13-in-1 grooming tool that combines performance with convenience. With full metal self-sharpening blades and 8 length settings, this trimmer suits both fine detailing and complete beard grooming. Its compact design makes it user-friendly, especially for those with busy lifestyles who need a quick yet effective grooming solution. The versatility across different grooming styles is a huge plus, making it a favorite among users. However, some might desire additional attachments for more complex grooming tasks, but it still stands out as an all-around excellent choice. Thank you for watching our in-depth comparison of the top 5 beard trimmers of 2026. Each of these grooming tools offers unique features that cater to different needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize portability, versatility, or advanced options, there's a perfect trimmer for you. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to explore these products further and elevate your grooming game today.